In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop TV shows, movies, sports, video streaming, live TV. Example of this kind of script is video streaming portal. Let's scroll down to look at the demo link. Okay, here is the login page. Let's look at this. Yes, here is the login page. This is how the login page is going to look like, and we can also view the demo site. This is the demo site. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is how the front end is going to look like. After purchasing the script, I go straight to my C panel. From my C panel, I go to my file manager. We use the affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. Then to my subdomain I will be using for these testing purposes. I've already uploaded the script. Let me extract it. Extract files. Next, I will close this. Here is the extracted file. Let me open it. I will select all the content in it, then move them to the root folder. Move files. Then next, I click on back. Let me now copy my subdomain name. Open a new tab. Paste it there. I scroll down. Okay, all is well. I click on next. I fill this, then I click on verify. Next is for me to fill the database credentials. So I go back to my C panel, then to my databases, manage my database. Let me name this as video stream. Video stream. Yes, like this. Create database. Database created successfully. Next, I'm going to create the user. Scroll down to create the user. I copy the database name. I'm pasting it here. Although you can name it whatever you like, I just prefer this method. Okay. Then I click on create user. User created successfully. So I click on go back again. Next, I'm going to add the user to my database. I'll select one I just created, which is a video stream user. Video stream user. This video stream. Add. Yes, I give up privileges to the user. Scroll down to no changes. Success. Now let me copy my username. Back to my site. This is localhost. Username. Database name is this. Yes. Then I click on import. Database was successfully imported. I click on next. I can now click on login now. Here are my credentials. As you can see, it looks like the one I showed you earlier. So my email is admin@admin.com. I've successfully installed my script. Here is it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, if this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Thank you.